So these are the Atlas XL straps. While all the hammocks come with 2 carabiners, sometimes there's not going to be an anchor point when you're out in the wild. So to use these, you quite simply pull 2 out of the bag, unravel it, keep a hold of the loop end, wrap that around the nearest suitable tree, and then pull the rest through as so. Make sure it's nice and tight. Clip the carabiner into any of these eyelets depending on the distance the next anchor point away is. Wrap that around the tree. Pull the excess through the loop. Pull it nice and tight. Wrap that around a few times just to get rid of any excess slack. That side is good to go. Then the hammocks all pack away into their own bag. So quite simply undo the drawstring and it'll all pull out nice and easily. There we go. Now all the DoubleNest hammocks come with 2 carabiners. So if you've got anything to hook them to in your garden or by your caravan, that's great. If not, the straps come with different lengths of eyelet. So what you do, depending on how far away you are, clip it into the eye,